Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page. So now you may decide you no longer want your Facebook page, so I will show you how you can delete it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to switch your Facebook page. You need to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then you can tap on this drop down menu and you will find all your pages here, as you can see. And now what you need to do is you just have to tap on it to switch on that page. As you can see, it's switching now. And then what you need to do is tap on these three bars in the upper right corner again, and then tap on this gear or settings icon in the top right. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on this page settings in the top, and the thing I find easiest to do when I want to go and delete page is just go and search for this delete, like so. And then as you can see, it says delete guide words page and information, so tap on it. Take a moment to load, and then what you can do is either go and deactivate your page if you want to have a more like a temporary solution, or if you are sure you want to go and delete it, then go and tap on this delete page. Make sure you've taken screenshot of anything you may want this future, like messages and things like that, so tap on continue if you are sure. And now what you can do is just tap on this continue again. Then Facebook will give you a few things you can do before you go and delete your account, like saving post, downloading your information, and transferring your information. But if you are sure, go and tap on this continue in the bottom. And then what you need to do is you have to enter your Facebook password just to go and confirm. After that, tap on this continue again. And as you can see, it's the final one. Tap on this continue and your Facebook page will be deleted permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.